gonna buy you a new one. But for right now, let's get that drive into Plum's laptop.
Tomorrow. That car.
What's your emergency?
This is Detective Tamara Green with the Philadelphia PD. I'm with a Mayfield police officer and a civilian in an unmarked blue Ford Taurus headed north on... Where the fuck are we?
Parsons Avenue.
Parsons Ave. Black SUV with 2 armed adult females in active pursuit of our vehicle. We need backup now!
Copy, Detective. Sending units your way. Stay on the line.
Hold on. I'm gonna try something.
Oh, you're going too fast. We're gonna wind up in the river.
Rite of passage in high school to make this turn at full speed. We all did it. Lila didn't. Holy shit!
I thought you made this turn in high school.
I did, and I slammed my dad's Maxima right into the bridge.